Hey guys, what's going on? Finally, we got bucket seats for my R33. I'm going to give an update about the S14 shortly, but with my R33, we're going to work on it tomorrow. I'm going to talk about why I chose these seats and what's going on with this seat rail and why it's taken so long to install. So I'm going to do it tomorrow because right now I'm pretty tired from like work and all that. I've been up for about 15 hours with like 4 hours sleep and I'm pretty wrecked. So I'm going to continue this video tomorrow and I'm going to show you guys how to install seats. It's a very easy install. Nothing, all you need is just basically tools and that's it. Nothing crazy, just an easy bolt-on mod. But if you're gonna get a rail, make sure they suit your car. This originally was an R33 seat rail, but the guy I got it off, they had it welded for an R31 seat. So I had to like get an angle grinder and basically cut off the legs that they had welded along here. So then I had to re-drill the holes. A big thanks to my cousin for helping me out with that. And with the front part, I got to recut here because the hole doesn't match up with my R33. So once we cut up here, I'll be able to put the bolt in and it should bolt up straight in. The passenger seat rail, that's all golden to go in. So tomorrow we're gonna install that one first, then worry about this one last. And the reason why I got the Bride Low Max is because it was a good value and I'm very picky with bucket seats. And I've been looking and looking to see what I like. I really like the 90s Bride, like the faded purple bucket seats. I had that in my R32. Those are my favorite, but I couldn't find any. And I'm getting really annoyed with cornering and holding myself in with the center console. So basically you just hold your leg up while cornering and you just hold yourself in, and I'm getting really sick and tired of that. So finally these bucket seats are regular size, so they fit me in pretty damn good. So I can't wait to install these. We're gonna go for a test drive and we'll see the massive difference of cornering and how it holds me in. Continue this video tomorrow installing the bucket seats of my R33, and with my S14 I'm going to get bucket seats for that, but they're going to be fixed back Brides. Not sure which ones yet, maybe the Bride Japan ones I think they're called. But anyway, my turbo on the S14 is shit, I don't like it, so I'm going to take that out, probably sell it, and I'm going to go for a Hypergear G3 turbo again because we're going to get 350 horsepower. Yeah, I reckon 350 horsepower at the wheels, I'll be happy with that. It's only a track car, I don't need something crazy hectic, you know what I mean? Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So, I have just run into another issue right now. I'm pretty bummed out. I'm like, oh yeah, what about my seat belt? I completely forgot about that. So these don't come with them mounted in, so I've just taken these off my stock seat. But this bolt can screw in right into that, where this can't. So I don't have anything to go on the other side. I don't have a nut to go on this. So basically, I'm gonna have to run to the nut and butt shop and hopefully they've got a nut for this, so that way I can put this in here. So try to do this one-handed. Give me a second. Oh shit. So basically like that. So what I'm trying to do is get a nut on the other end of that, put some washers back in so there's a bit of room for the seatbelt to connect into there, and it should be golden. So more bullshit to slow me down. Alright, I just rushed to the nut and bolt shop. Legit flew down there, picked it up. Luckily, goddamn, I've been rushing, I'm agitated, I'm tired from work. So luckily the nut and bolt shop, right, they've got everything to match that you need. So it's pretty luckily that they had the right threading for this nut. So there you go. That's gonna go in there like that. So basically it's gonna hold the seat belt and it's gonna be sick, and we can finally put these in my car. And I'm probably not gonna worry about drilling this out right now. I'm just gonna leave it in my car. Hopefully it doesn't throw the seat back as much. Fuck it, I wanna get this job done. I wanna try out the new seats. Seatbelt all bolted up right now. You can probably see in there's the nut to the other side of it. It was a bitch to get my fingers in there. Got the bucket seat tightened down again. And it's looking good. Then we can reconnect back that. Alright, so you got one bolt there, then you got the other bolt here under the plastic. You just have to move the seat forward, then we can pop the plastic off. Grab this, put it on the bolt, loosen it up. There you go. You also got stuff at the front as well. So you've got, let me pull this seat back. That's as back as it goes. So you've got one bugger in there. Go take off that rubber crap. Fucking. So we've got a bolt in there, and then we've got another one over there. So we're gonna take that out. those 4 bolts in there. Basically, just unbolt all 4, bang. Seat's out, and all you have to do is disconnect the seatbelt harness. Man, look at all this space, and there's a little bunch of rubbish that I could never reach with a vacuum cleaner. So now that the seat's out, best thing to do, grab a vacuum cleaner, suck up all this bullshit. Look at all that space though. Legit, as I was moving the carpet, look what I found. $2. Just got some of my money back from when I bought this car years ago, hey? Alright, time to put the bucket seat in, so I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse while I put the bucket seats back in. I think judging from the background, you can tell what's going on right now. I am pretty stoked. Everything is like fit in so perfect. And that one mount that hasn't been bolted in, it's not actually moving at all. There's no play in it, but I'm still gonna fix that hole. So I'm gonna get it drilled out eventually. But for now, we're gonna go for a test drive. They look so sick. Like, I'm gonna have to get out of the car and do like a proper introduction of these new seats in here. And the red stitching, I thought they weren't going to match because I got blue lights, but they match my Nardi steering wheel, so it matches the red stitching in here. So it looks pretty sick. I'll show you why I've got this replacement part, but I'll talk about that after. I'm just so stoked that these have come out nicely. Oh, this is gonna make my car look so much better. So here, same thing on the other side, the plastic mount snapped, but the old owner did this on the other side, so I thought I might as well do it on the driver's side as well. So you just lift this up and you can adjust the seat back and forward. You can't really put it forward, so just mainly back. So yeah, all you have to do is lift this up, comes back. So it's pretty JDM looking. And I thought this looks a lot cooler than what this would look like, so that's pretty sick. So I thought I'd show you guys this mount. So basically right there, as I said probably fucking 5-7 times right now, all I have to do is drill out that part and we can put a bolt in there. So for now, look at it. There's legit no play in it, but it's still better to have a bolt in there, because when you do like 180 or doing high speed entries, the last thing you want to do is bend this frame, but I doubt this frame can bend because this looks like a pretty solid, expensive brand, and I doubt. The reason why I didn't continue filming installing this seat is because the GoPro 7 battery died, and GoPro batteries are the worst. They just die like that. So I had to charge the battery for a little bit, but while there's some battery and juice left in it, let's put you guys up on the mount. Let's go for a test drive in these seats. What the fuck? Come on, you fucking dickhead. Alright guys, I just got back from Utopia and let me just tell you something. I am extremely fucking happy. Like, even though the corners weren't even that much of corners, from what I could tell while cornering, just being able to be held into my seat without getting thrown side to side or having to use my leg on the center console to basically hold me in. It is so good to be able to corner now and be staying still in my seat. And now I'm confident to say this, when I go to spots that you guys know, I reckon I'm going to be cornering a lot more faster now, knowing that I'm more confident in my seat, being stable. Drifting is going to be a lot more better because everyone knows when you go drifting with stock seats, you get thrown around. That's why you get bucket seats. And I'm really happy with these bucket seats right now. At the start, I wasn't really happy, like having to custom mount these seat belts in, having to fix up this rail. It's like secondhand stuff, you always got to be careful of that stuff. So when you go get secondhand parts, always be safe what you're getting. But for the S14, I can't believe I'm going to get new Bride like fixed back bucket seats for that, but I'll save that for another video. And I'd like to say thank you guys so much for showing love and support here on my Instagram. I have changed my Instagram name, so this is my Instagram. I've changed it to Andrew CKJ, so basically _CKJ. Put it up here somewhere. And I'd like to say, yeah, thank you guys again for all the love. If you guys want to see something different, leave a comment down below, leave your thoughts. If you've got an issue with your car, leave it in the comments. Either me or someone that watches the channel can help you out. Hit up my Instagram, either way. And if you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe. If you like this video, give it a like. Thank you guys again for the big support of this channel. Like, it's keeping me motivated to do more things with my R33 and the S14. And also with my R33, if you guys don't remember, or some of you might know, I said that I might have coil pack issues again. It isn't really spluttering, I've noticed. It's more of like a pinging thing. So that's kind of like telling me that could be my crank angle sensor, which is the CAS. Either that my CAS is stuffing up or the timing has like somehow gone out. So I'm going to plug in my Haltech, check it all out. Might get a new CAS and hopefully it fixes the issue, because when you're up in third, when you hit about 160 kilometers an hour, or actually 130 to 160 kilometers an hour, there's like this pinging and then it fights it and then it continues again. It's really weird. Don't want that issue, so I gotta get that fixed. Anyway, thank you guys again for watching this video. Leave a thumbs up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of me installing the Bride bucket seats, and it makes my car look so much better. Leave a comment down below what you think of these Brides in my car. Thank you guys again for watching this video. Alright guys, time to go, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Catch you guys later.
I can make you rich.